Assalamualaikum. I want to present section number 1, Workplace Environment. Health workplace environment, employees' well-being and productivity. Workplace well-being relates to all aspects of working life, from the quality and safety of physical environment to how workers feel about their work, their working environment, the climate at work and work organization. The aim of measure for workplace well-being is to complement OSH measure to make sure workers are safe, healthy, satisfied, and engaged at work. Poor workplace environment affect employee health and performance. Poor workplace conditions can lead to unmotivated employees, poor productivity, and an increased risk of workplace incidents. Depending on how bad the conditions are, you may also be in violations of federal or state level regulations, which could cause substantial legal issues, work-related problems, and affect our physical, emotional, and mental health. Common issues include job dissatisfaction, workplace injury, stress, discrimination, and bullying, violence, accident, death, and retirement. Lastly, common hazard workplace and how to prevent them. This is the most common type of workplace hazard. Examples for physical hazard include slips, trips, falls, exposure to loud noise, walking from height, vibrations, and unguarded machinery. This is somewhat of a generic work hazard to mention, but it's an important one. Physical hazards are some of the most common hazards, and they show up in the workplace too often. Prior electrical cords, unguarded machinery, exposed moving part, vibrations, and working from ladder, scaffolding, or higher.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sarah. I want to present about section 2, economics. Question number 1, define economics and explain its significance in the workplace. Economics is the scientific discipline concerned with understanding of interaction among humans and other elements of a system and the provisions that applies theory, principles, methods, and data to design in order to optimize human well-being and overall system performance. From Osha perspective, it is the process of designing the job to fit the employee rather than forcing the employee's body to fit the job. Question number 2, list and describe 3 economics principles that can help reduce the risk of work-related injuries and discomfort. Number 1 is efficiency. By arranging work tools and equipment, employees can work with more movement efficiency and reduce the cycle time. Number 2 is quality. Economics minimize the mental advantage of the employees, reducing chance of human error through lapse of or misjudgment. Number 3 is safety. Human error may cause serious safety violation or incident, whether intentionally or not. Question number 3, how can employees set up an ergonomic workstation to prevent musculoskeletal problems like back pain and carpal tunnel syndrome? Number 1 is employees should sit centered on their task and computer monitor. Number 2 is keep elbow angle between 70 to 120 degrees. Number 3, keep wrist straight while working. Number 4, there should be no obstructions at foot level. And number 5, feet should be flat on the floor or on a footrest. Last but not least, explain the importance of breaks and stretching exercise in the context of ergonomics. Number 1, stretching of neck and shoulder. Shoulders relieve early symptoms of tension in shoulder and neck. Raise shoulder towards ears until there is slight tension and relax. Shoulder roll, relax shoulder muscle. While inhaling, slowly rise shoulder, ears and roll backwards in a circular motion 5 times. Number 2 is stretching hands and forearms. Stretch wrists and arms, place elbow on desk and palms together, lower wrist toward the desk and elbow width move outward as for forearm stretch. And loosen wrist and relax fingers. Bend wrist down and grasp with opposite hand to stretch down. Bend wrist up by pushing fingers back toward shoulder. Number 3, stretching the back. Hold right arm with left hand just above below, pushing elbow toward left shoulder. And lastly, take a deep breath and relax. Take a moment after stretching to practice breathing exercise and release tension.
Hi, my name is Shakina binti Rosman. I want to share about Section 3 Workplace Improvement. First thing, strategy to improve workplace environment for employers. First thing, emphasize work-life balance. Organization can promote a healthy work-life balance by encouraging flexible working hours, remote work option, and setting reasonable expectation for workload. Secondly, prioritize employer development and growth opportunities. Organization can create a positive workplace environment by implementing programs and practice that recognize and appreciate employer contribution. Third, foster a culture of open communication and collaboration. Share their ideas, concerns, and feedback without fear of repercussions. Next, employees contribute to creating a safer and healthier work environment. Firstly, compliance with safety protocols. Following safety protocols and guidelines set forth by the organization. This includes adhering to safety procedure, using personal protective equipment (PPE) when necessary, and reporting any potential hazard or unsafe condition promptly. Next, implement well-being program and initiative. Organization can implement various well-being programs and initiatives to support their employees' physical, mental, and emotional health. Lastly, provide opportunity for growth and development. Employees thrive in environments where they can learn, grow, and develop their skills. Organization can improve their workplace environment by training programs, mentorship initiative, and career advancement paths. What should employees do if they identify ergonomic issue in their workplace? First, report the issue. The first step for employers is to report the ergonomic issue to their supervisor or the appropriate person within the organization. This could be a manager, human resources representative, or a designated health and safety officer. It is important to communicate the specific nature of the ergonomic issue and any related discomfort of health concern. Next, provide detailed information. When reporting ergonomic issue, employers should provide detailed information about the specific tasks, equipment, or a workstation that are contributing to the problem. This may include description of repetitive movement, awkward posture, heavy lifting, or any other factors that are causing discomfort or strain. Thirdly, request an ergonomic evaluations. Employees can request an ergonomic evaluation of their work area. Many companies have designated professionals of a consultants who can assess the ergonomic condition of a workspace and recommend improvement. Other than that, participate in training. Some organizations offer ergonomic training programs to help employers recognize and address ergonomic issues. By participating in these programs, employees can gain a better understanding of proper body mechanics, posture, and techniques to reduce the risk of strain and injury. Moreover, seek medical advice. If an ergonomic issue is causing persistent discomfort or pain, employees should seek medical advice from a healthcare professional. A healthcare provider can offer guidance and recommendation for managing or addressing any physical health concern related to ergonomic factors in the workplace. Lastly, stay informed. Employees can stay informed about best practice in ergonomics and occupational health and safety. This may involve reading relevant materials, attending seminars or workshops, and staying updated on industry standards and guidelines for ergonomic workplace design. Workplace that successfully implemented ergonomic improvement and the positive outcome they achieved. Example of the workplace that achieved the ergonomic is Microsoft. Microsoft revamped its workspace, incorporating ergonomic principles to enhance employer well-being and productivity. The positive outcome in ergonomic of Microsoft is educational programs. Microsoft implemented training programs to educate employees on the importance of ergonomic and how to set up their workstation for optimal health and comfort. This proactive approach empowers employees to take responsibility for their well-being. That's all. Thank you.